Greetings, fellow viewers. We're here at Bullseye in Clinton, right there, and we are going to get I'm here with my grandma today and my sisters. Say hi, guys. And we're gonna get my grandma's 2009 GMC Acadia washed today.
Just pull up there?
Yeah, just pull up next to the cash machine. And let's see. Yeah, they don't accept credit cards. So yeah. So I believe our options, we have the, if I can zoom in on it, we have the Deluxe Wash for $9, Premium for $10, and Ultimate Premium Plus for $11. And we will be getting the $11 one today. So I'm going to go ahead and head inside and get a car wash code for it. I will be right back. Alrighty, I got the code. Now we will get back into the car and get the car washed. Alrighty, I got the code. Just give me a second to get buckled and we'll go ahead and get situated here.
Do I have to fold in the mirrors? Because those mirrors don't fold in.
No, I don't think so. As long as the brushes can get past them, I think you'll be fine.
You'd think.
Well, yeah. 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 Alright. Go ahead and... Yeah, I can see that screen there. Alright. Here's the code. 66
What?
66990.
And then what?
It didn't enter the 0. Premium Plus. Alright, go ahead and pull forward. Go ahead and open the moonroof.
Oh, I thought you opened the window. I did. Oh, you sure that all windows? I never just seen.
Yeah, this car has dual moonroofs. So 2 windows.
Go forward.
Yeah, and it'll honk at you when it tells you to stop. Yeah. Here we come with the undercarriage blasters.
Oh, yeah, your mirrors. I don't hear it cleaning the undercarriage.
You can see the water.
Yeah, I know.
It does sound a bit weak. There it is. There's the water coming up. Yeah, you're not supposed to really go that slow because it just stopped. This is a Ryko SoftGloss MAXX system. Same one at the BP on the other side of town.
There you go.
Alrighty. And we're starting off with triple foam. And apparently this triple foam is actually bubblegum scented.
Oh, it had a little bit of milk.
It's okay coverage on the top. Pretty colorful too.
Why are they doing those car washes with the lights?
Here we come with the brushes.
Hitting the car.
It does, yeah, it does. In a way. But these brushes are actually made of rubber. Here comes the top brush.
This I am just scared. Feels like the car is moving.
I know. That's what McKenna thought. That's what McKenna thought. That's what McKenna thought too when we went to the BP. Yeah, it's stopping because of the tire scrubbers. It's a pretty noisy system.
Do we get blow dry too?
Yeah, there are dryers up there. There's the top brush. It's not spinning. I actually got some extra batteries if my camera dies. It's low on battery already.
It's weird. It will like when it goes forward, like
Yeah, but you're actually in park.
Also the door.
Okay, it looks like we are getting a rinse, a little rinse here.
Oh, looks like it's
Yeah.
When I look at that, it looks like you're moving slowly. I don't like.
The zoom is so slow.
Am I getting camera?
Barely. Okay, here we're getting our Rain-X now.
Wait, do the up. Let me see. My tongue's so
And it looks like this is our spot 3.
My tongue is really oh my. Take one from the front now.
Nice and thorough.
Ew. Ew.
Oh, you smell that? I can smell the Rain-X coming through the vents.
Yeah. I hope you didn't give me that thing on the video.
Are you guys getting air back there? Because you have
Yeah.
controls of that.
Yeah. Oh, it do smell here.
Yeah, there's our last spot 3. And the dryers are spinning up. Alright, go ahead and pull forward. And these dryers actually do a better job than the ones at the Village Car Wash over by Arby's. You gotta really kind of get going. Okay. There they are.
Open it.
No, no. Mallory. Mallory. Don't do that. Never open your windows in a car wash.
Why not?
Unless you want to give the car water damage.
I've seen people with those like convertible Jeeps where they like take the whole sides and everything off and like the doors, and they'll like have swimsuits and goggles and stuff on and just like go through a car wash like that. Or one of the ones where it like moves you through.
Oh, yeah, tunnel system? Yeah, yeah.
I've seen like TikToks of that, and they'll put a GoPro in the car.
Nina, that's for you.
Yeah, I think the GoPro would make a good dash cam.
Looks like a hippie van with the.
Well, anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed watching.
Okay, I'm gonna go out this other door.
Feel free to give this video a like and leave your thoughts down in the comments. Thanks for watching.